Hey guys, I'm Vika and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about my first ever Unity game, which I was created around 2 years ago, and I'm going to play it again just after 2 years after deploying, and I'm going to explain how I made my first game. So let's get started. So in 2019, I really wanted to make a game. So what I did was I went to Google and searched how to make a game. So I found Bracky's tutorial series and there were around 11 tutorials and I followed his tutorials. His tutorials are very well explained and very easy to understand as a beginner. So I highly recommend his channel for beginners to start their game development career with Unity. So I will put his channel's link in the description so you can check out his channel and start your game development career with Unity. So now I'm going to play my first ever mobile game in after 2 years. So first I'm going to download it to my new mobile phone and let's play it again. So I'm going to Google Play Store and search Endless Cube. Yes, and yes, it is comes as Rio and I'm going to install it into my mobile phone. Let's hit on install button. It was just 17 MB, and just after downloading and installing, I'll open my game, and yes, uh, yes, this is my game. So let's play it again. Wow, it's still there. Oh, well, I think there was a bug. I don't know what the reason. Uh, just let's play. Oh, see. So let's go to main menu. High score is this. I know this is not the best game in the world, but this was my first game, so I'm really enjoying my first game. Even this doesn't have much features. This is working real nice. Also, I was able to integrate Unity advertisements as well. Even Brahis doesn't explain how to make and how to monetize your game. I separately did my own research and add into monetization as well. So after playing this advertisement, let's play my game again. So the advertisement is over now. So let's play my game again. Yeah. So let's replay. Yeah, this time I got 655 score. So this was my first game. So let's go to main menu and let's exit. Yes, my game is working fine, and I really happy about my first game. So guys, that was my first Unity game, and I'll put the link of the game in my description, and you can play my game and review it as well. I know it's not the best game in the world, but it was my first game, and that's the starting point of my Unity game development career. And so see you soon in another video like this, and please subscribe my channel and like this video as well. So see you soon in another video.